The Roborock Q Revo robot vacuum represents a pinnacle of innovation and efficiency in automated cleaning technology. With its multifunctional dock, dual spinning mops, and exceptional suction power, this vacuum promises to revolutionize household cleaning tasks. Its advanced features, including auto mop washing, auto mop lifting, and reactive tech obstacle avoidance, cater to diverse cleaning needs while ensuring convenience and precision. In this review, we delve into the key aspects of this vacuum, highlighting its capabilities, specifications, and how it stands out as a versatile and reliable cleaning companion for modern households. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Multifunctional dock. This vacuum boasts a multifunctional dock that streamlines cleaning tasks, eliminating the need for manual intervention. The auto mop washing feature ensures that the mop stays clean after each use, while the hot air drying functionality prevents the buildup of unpleasant odors. Additionally, the dock includes a sizable 5 liters water tank, automatically refilling the robot's tank for extensive mopping coverage of up to 4305 staffed. The self-emptying capability grants users up to 7 weeks of hands-free cleaning, and the detachable dock base facilitates thorough cleaning for added convenience. Number 2. Dual spinning mops. Equipped with dual spinning mops operating at a rapid 200 RPM, this vacuum effortlessly tackles stains of varying degrees of stubbornness. Its consistent downward pressure ensures effective stain removal, leaving floors spotless with each cleaning cycle. Furthermore, users can fine-tune cleaning operations to match specific floor types and preferences, thanks to the 30 water flow levels provided. Number 3. Auto mop lifting. The inclusion of auto mop lifting functionality, with a lifting height of 7 mm, allows the seamless transition between vacuuming and mopping tasks. This feature automatically lifts the mops when the device detects carpets, ensuring thorough cleaning without leaving behind dirty streaks. Users benefit from the convenience of having both floors and carpets cleaned in a single operation. Number 4. 5,500 pascals extreme suction. The vacuum's impressive 5,500 pascals suction power ensures thorough cleaning across various surfaces, from hardwood floors to tiles and carpets. Its all-rubber brush, floating on a multi-directional frame, effectively captures dust, dirt, and pet hair with minimal tangles, providing users with consistently clean floors. Number 5. Reactive Tech Obstacle Avoidance. Featuring reactive tech obstacle avoidance capabilities, this vacuum can detect and navigate around potential obstacles with precision, enhancing cleaning efficiency. Its PreciSense litter navigation, coupled with 3D mapping technology, generates accurate maps that enable customized cleaning routines. Users can even incorporate furniture and floor materials into their virtual home layout for optimal cleaning results. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Conclusion. The Roborock Q Revo robot vacuum emerges as a formidable contender in the realm of automated cleaning solutions. Its blend of cutting-edge technology, versatile functionality, and meticulous attention to detail make it a standout choice for households seeking effortless and effective cleaning experiences. From its innovative docking station to its powerful suction and intelligent navigation, this vacuum delivers on its promises of convenience, efficiency, and thoroughness. With this vacuum, users can bid farewell to manual cleaning tasks and embrace a new era of smart, hands-free cleaning that elevates the standard of home maintenance. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links, and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.